These things are.
This is Krishna and these are village musicians sitting under the tree. You can see these musicians here. There is Geeta. You want to show what all things you made in the tree? What is your favorite part of the tree?
I like the peacock.
You like the peacock, yeah. It is looking so
Peacock
pretty.
is my favorite, and I like those birds. And the shape of the tree came out so nicely. And the peacock is dancing to Krishna's flute. And I like the base of the tree, where in villages typically this is how they make it.
Right.
And yeah, we are slowly building. So progress will be happening slowly.
Yeah, this is work done in 2 days, which is pretty amazing. And I think today your dress is also very matching with the squiggly lines. It's looking part of this Warli whole painting. Also, you're looking part of it now.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's coming along good. So looking forward to the finished picture.
Yeah, you should stand too.
Here is Geeta working on the bullock cart today. Do you think you'll be able to finish today?
I hope so.
I think today is the 5th day, right? Or
Yeah.
5th day. So it looks beautiful, coming along very good. This was done yesterday. Kids playing in the backyard or the front yard. Trees around the house, lot of action. And on this side we have people dancing, and the trumpet lady is up there. She's covered by the picture, but she's there. And this is the tree and the musicians. There's another house here. There's Krishna playing flute. Geeta giving finishing touches to the Warli mural on our garage door in Buffalo Grove. It has come out beautifully. Today is the 6th day of our hard work and put in lot of details. So you can see the tree here and the moon she's making, and the birds flying. This side is sun, beautiful benevolent sun. This is the house here with people working around the house, inside the house, in the yard, and then dancers dancing. Then there's a river here, so all 5 elements here. You can see the fire and the sun, the sky, the earth, the water, the wind, trees, birds. There is Krishna playing flute at the bottom of the tree on the banks of the river. It's looking beautiful. Thank you, Geeta. And there are some yoga figurines there right in the center. meditating, doing sun salutation. Meditating figure at the top. Drawing a drummer. Similar drummer on this side. It's kind of matching.